Are you tired of feeling lost in the payroll jungle? Are complex calculations and endless paperwork eating up your time and money? So you're not alone, my dear HR friends, because in this video we are cutting through the confusion and revealing the surprisingly simple way you can master your company's payroll right here. So from understanding the core of HR payroll to navigating pre and post activities, we'll equip you with the knowledge to take control. So get ready to unlock the secrets and confidently manage your payroll like never before. But before moving ahead, I have a small request from all my viewers to please subscribe the channel if you haven't till now. And by the end of the video, if you like the content of the video, then please like the video and do share it ahead. So payroll in HR refers to the system that deals with employees and ensure that the payments are accurate and on time. It includes several crucial rules like salary calculations, tax deductions, compliance, and record maintenance, and many more such things. And by handling these processes, HR plays a crucial and critical role in both employee satisfaction and organizational efficiency, ensuring a smooth payroll operation.
So every aspect of payroll is significant in ensuring that employees are compensated correctly and justly for their services. So fundamentals, that is the fundamentals of payroll include the first one, gross wages or salary, which is the total remuneration earning of an employee, which includes basic salary, overtime pay, and other earnings such as bonus before the resultant wages comes down. Determining gross wages is paramount as this is the figure from which deductions will be computed. Secondly, there are several deductions made on both wage bill and the gross earnings of the worker, such as federal income tax, state income tax, Medicare, healthcare deductions, social security, and pension funds, among others. Some of the additional deductions may include payment for union dues, donation to charity, and salary garnishments in case there are any, or any other form of deduction. Third, net pay refers to the final salary that an employee earns after all the deductions have been made. It is also referred to as take-home salary. There is a great need to ensure that the net pay figures are correct so as not to jeopardize employees' trust and financial order. Next, benefits often include healthcare pension plans and some others such as stock options and even health club memberships. These additional benefits are not cash but they are part of the total package and are appreciated by employees. Now, reimbursements is usually provided on top of the annual wage that covers expenses engaged by employee in a course of work, like traveling, meals, or items purchased. Reimbursements in most cases do not attract taxation and they are usually treated accordingly to avoid mix-up. Lastly, leave and absence management means that managing the period of paid time off or negatively affecting the payroll calculation by tracking sick leaves as well as unpaid absences. Proper management of leave, especially in payroll setting, aids in promoting correct salary and help in the adherence to the labor law. According to the first method, calculations are carried out manually, which is suitable for companies having smaller workforce. While it saves on software cost, it is labor intensive, time consuming, and has a higher risk of errors. Secondly, payroll computations are handled in system whereby data is entered in structured units like Excel. This is better than doing the processing manually. Nonetheless, it is still prone to errors because of extensive data entry. Thirdly, third parties are engaged to do all the payroll activities on the business behalf, including tax remittance to paying salaries to staff. Outsourcing ensures compliance and reduces in-house burden, but may come with added cost and less control. Next, softwares undertake all payslip calculations, tax payments, return filing, and reporting, but increases the scope and reducing errors. It is economical and medium scale and large scale firms as well as those with complicated payroll issues. Lastly, in ERP cases, in case of huge firm, payroll systems can be assimilated into ERP process, which is a system that incorporates HR, financial resources, and payroll for immediate processing of information. This allows for easy sharing of data, but the installation may be difficult and expensive.
So accurate and timely payroll processing is crucial for businesses of all size for several reasons. The first reason can be that getting paid accurately and on time is vital for employee morale and motivation, whereas delays on errors can create frustration and negatively impact employee engagement. Second reason can be that businesses in India must comply with various tax and labor laws regarding employee compensation, and failing to do so can result in hefty penalties and legal prosecutions. Third reason can be that maintaining accurate payroll records is essential for financial reporting and budgeting purposes. It ensures transparency and helps businesses make informed financial decisions. The activities associated with payroll are generally classified into two parts: pre and post payroll activities to uphold accuracy and compliance. So let's first have a look at pre-payroll activities, which are said to be the foundation for accurate and compliant payroll processing. These tasks ensure all the necessary data and policies are in place before the calculation begins. So the first step is to collect employee data, which involves gathering as well as confirming information like salary information, hours worked, tax details, and banking information. Secondly, we need to ensure that payroll policies such as overtime rates, bonuses, and deductions align with company guidelines and current labor laws. Thirdly, checking pre-payroll data such as employee maintenance, attendance, overtime, and other inputs against the pre-established formats to limit payroll error. Now, second, the post-payroll activities focus on payment execution, compliance, and record keeping. These steps ensure employees are paid accurately and on time while maintaining the legal and financial accountability. So the first step is to make payments to staff through various methods, including but not limited to checks or direct deposits. Secondly, recording payroll transactions in the company's accounting system to maintain financial accuracy. Third, reporting and remitting taxes, preparing required returns, and otherwise acting to comply with the law and avoid sanctions. And fourthly, carrying out primary document check analysis about the issuance of salary to staff. Efficient payroll processing is an important factor in the performance of an enterprise, which ensures the timely and correct payment of wages to employees. Their advantages include the first one: payroll processing system help the organization adhere to federal, state, and local laws regarding tax payments, mitigating the risk of incurring penalties and lawsuits. Most of the payroll systems incorporate tax regulations and rates, automatically diminishing the chances of manual work and the chances of error. Second benefit is that employees appreciate the timely and correct payment of wages, which enhances their sense of being valued and minimizing job turnover. Fixed pay procedures are beneficial with regard to morale, creating a positive work environment as they demonstrate concern for the employees of the organization. Third benefit is that an organization's payroll processing enables it to control and forecast labor costs appropriately, which in turn improves budgeting and financial projection accuracy, facilitates HR and finance functions in controlling budgets by tracking expenditures effectively, leading to improved resources allocation and cost control. Fourth benefit is that audit trails, regulatory compliance, and business strategies all benefit from the clear records that payroll system can really provide. For example, proper payroll documents facilitate the year-end taxes or management reports preparation and financial interpretation as well. And the next benefit, most payroll processing software implements security mechanism to ensure that information such as employee and financial records is protected from unauthorized access or system hacking. Most of the systems provide security in the form of data encryption and granting access to a need-to-known basis with regard to payroll information. And the last benefit says that one major advantage that comes with the adoption of an automated payroll system is the minimization of time spent in making manual computations, thus allowing the HR and finance department to engage in productive activities, eliminates the repetitive tasks, streamline the payroll flow, and reduce the human error as well. Now, as the businesses grow, payroll processing can become increasingly complex as well. So there are challenges of handling payroll process as well. The first challenge says that No matter the jurisdiction, payroll processing must consult federal, state, and local tax laws, which are in state of constant fluctuations due to new policies introduced. And failing to comply with these laws can lead to penalties and fines. So, staying updated on the latest tax codes and labor regulations is essential to avoid non-compliance issues. Second challenge is that data accuracy is the backbone of the payroll process, including staff data, hours worked, amounts to be deducted, and bonuses. And even the slightest mistake is of great significance because it may lead to a situation where an employee is underpaid, overpaid, or taxes are incorrectly filed, triggering a process of rectification, which is a tiresome task. So an accurate testament of payroll data is achieved by controlling the inputs and data entry processes. Third challenge is that in addition, payroll information has personal attributes, for example, social security numbers, bank accounts, remuneration, etc., which must be protected. So allowing this kind of data to be accessed by unwanted person may lead to identity fraud, litigations, and damage to the company's profile. So techniques for safeguarding these kind of information include data encryption, use of passwords, and at least once a month examination of the systems. Next challenge is that paying employees also has its own administrative burden, like payroll systems, cost for training new personnel, and if necessary, cost for hiring third parties. So these costs may be hard to control for small businesses, but large businesses still require effective approaches to manage payroll costs incurred. So cost-effective payroll solutions that suit the size and needs of the business help to bring down cost without sacrificing the quality of service or compliance. Another most common challenge is that most employees would like to know about their pay slips and other issues such as deductions, benefits, or even errors linked with their pay calculations. So it is essential to respond to these questions as quickly as possible to help in retaining the level of trust and satisfaction of employees heaped on the organization. So this is why payroll teams should be able to take over such issues professionally and openly to prevent any conflicts from arising between the employees. Lastly, payroll processing is also done within a specified time frame, failure to which delay in payment may lead to employee dissatisfaction or in some situations failure to meet tax filing deadlines. So organizations must also observe some reasonable deadlines to ensure that all payroll activities are accomplished and that the salaries are paid accordingly. So this challenge is even more pronounced when the companies are bigger, making time management a very critical factor for payroll performance and employee confidence. Now let's go through a detailed guide about payroll process in India. So the first one is about the foundation of your payroll system lies in establishing a clear and well-defined payroll policy. This document outlines these essential aspects. Secondly, accurate and up-to-date employee information is vital for effective payroll processing, and this includes details like mentioned over here. Thirdly, maintaining meticulous records of employee attendance and leave is crucial for accurately calculating their net pay, and this can be done through various methods like listed over here. Next, once you have all the necessary information, you can proceed with calculating the gross salary based on the agreed upon pay structure. Subsequently, various deductions need to be applied, which are listed over here. So now in the next step, after factoring in all deductions from gross salary, you arrive at the net salary, which is the final amount to be paid to the employees. Next step says that the calculated net salary is then disbursed to the employee through their designated bank accounts, and additionally generating pay slips for each employee is crucial. So these documents can provide a breakdown of their earnings, deductions and net pay, ensuring transparency and record keeping. Lastly, the businesses are obligated to file statutory reports and deposited taxes and contributions to the authorities within the stipulated deadlines. So this ensures compliance with various regulations like Income Tax Act, Provident Fund Act and Professional Tax Act, and many other acts applicable as per the business requirements.
That's all in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed shooting it for you. If so, then I request you to please like and share the video, and also please subscribe the channel to get connected with HR Administ.